Hey Brandon, I'm looking at your thumbnails. These look great. I think all of these are super cool. I really like these arrows that cross with the feathers coming off. Not as much into the spider web, although I think it's kind of cool that it like swirls like a, continuously swirls there. I like this motif as well, but we do need to use the Bunkhouse Butcher Shop logo that you made somewhere, which I mean, I think that one has like knives on it that are crossing. So, doesn't mean you couldn't put the logo on this side and then still use this thing here, and then have the contact information. So you could almost move this with a stripe underneath it here, move the Bunkhouse Butcher Shop's logo over here on its own, and then have your contact information below like this, just positioned a little smaller and higher up. Hopefully that makes sense. Um, Not as fond as idea two. I do like this arrow motif. I think that could be a cool thing to mix in along with some of your contact information. Maybe putting Bunkhouse Butcher Shops over here. You have to have that logo that you made for the logo design project. So maybe putting that on one side and then still using this arrow motif. But like you just have to choose which one you like more from your ideas. Like, do you like this better, or do you like this or this better? I don't think you'll be able to obviously use all of those, but definitely remember to put your colored, or it doesn't have to be your color logo. It does have to be your logo though. It can be the black logo, or if you want to make your logo all white, so you can reverse it on like a darker red background or a dark black background. You can make your logo all white. We didn't make one of those, but basically you just go into your black logo and make the black white and save out a new file with the name, changing the name instead of BW on the end, just make it white on the end of the file name. That's what I do when I do that. So anyway, that's the advice I have for you on these. Great job. We'll talk to you later.